Kwa mĩaka 50 kambuni ya HACO ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthondeka maguta mothaka mĩthemba ĩtiganĩte gatagatĩ ka indo ingĩ, maguta kaingĩ magĩkĩrwo cuba-inĩ cia plastic. Ũhũthĩri wa cuba cia plastic nĩ kambuni ĩno na ingĩ ũtigĩte cuba cia plastic cituĩkĩte mũthamaki wa ũthũkangia wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie, cikĩhinga mĩtaro ya maĩ, ihumo cia maĩ ona thĩ nyũmũ.
Coming to plastics, of course we do manufacture packaging for product, and we do around 85 metric tons per month. And of this 85 metric tons, we recycle around 20 metric tons of this plastic. That means that there are plastics from our production processes, which either by virtue of not meeting our quality requirements or excess in form of offcuts or sprues, would qualify to become waste and therefore be disposed.
Na njĩra ya kũhukia ũthũkangia wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie nĩ cuba cia plastic, kambuni ĩno nĩ ĩkĩranĩire ngirimiti na kambuni ya ũthondeki wa ndithuru na betũrũ ĩkĩhũthĩra plastic ya ProGreen kuma Kenol County-inĩ ya Murang'a.
Today we take a significant step forward in our commitment to fostering a circular economy and reducing our environmental footprint through this important partnership with ProGreen Innovations.
ProGreen has been recognized more outside Kenya than Kenya, let me be honest about that. And we are happy that HACO has finally recognized us.
Afitha munene kuma HACO Peter Ndisho oigĩte marĩneaga ProGreen mũigana wa makĩria ma plastic grinya ĩrĩa marĩhũthĩraga gũthondeka ndithũrũ nao magacoka makamĩgũra.
In a month we use 10,000 liters of conventional diesel, and the cost has gone up by 38%. So it's not sustainable in terms of the production cost. So that's why we went out of our way to look for a solution which is greener and cleaner.
And because a lot of our packaging material is made of plastic, it is critical for us as a business to find a solution as to how to mitigate the problems caused by plastic waste.
The vision we have is actually to be the #1 waste to fuel manufacturer in the global south.
Mwenena wake afitha wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie kuma kambuni ya HACO Oscar Obonyo oigĩte ikinya rĩrĩ nĩ rĩa bata harĩ kũnyihia ndogo ya carbon makĩria gũtigana na ndithũrũ ĩrĩa yenjagwo.
We are doing averagely around 3,000 metric tons of CO2 from all our processes, and part of it we have tried to offset through investments in renewable energy. Like for plastics factory, we actually have solar panels installed. When it comes to greenhouse gas accounting, of course, us as a business have begun taking carbon accounting quite seriously this year. So we are using 2024 as our base year to look at our Scope 1 emissions, which are from all our owned sources and machineries, our Scope 2 emissions, which comes from the electricity that we purchase. We are yet to delve into the Scope 3 side of it, which of course involves emissions around our value chain.
Ũnyitanĩri nĩ ProGreen ĩrĩthondekaga ndithũrũ rita 4 oro mweri, itanya arĩ gũthondekaga rita 10,000 oro mweri iria HACO mahũthĩraga. Obonyo akiuga ũndũ ũyũ nĩ kũmanyihiria ngarama ya kũgũra ndithũrũ.
When we look at progressive reduction in production costs by a margin of let's say 15 to 20 shillings, and you can look at a business requirement of around 10,000 liters of diesel, you can see there's significant cost savings there. And these are cost savings that we also intend to robustly channel to other sustainability initiatives within the business.
As a manufacturer, we use a lot of fuel for generating power. Producing plastic bottles requires a lot of heat, a lot of energy, which we are currently using your diesel, your fuels that are not improving our carbon footprint, so to speak.
Ikinya rĩa kũhũthĩra ndithũrũ ĩno kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa HACO Mary Ann Musangi nĩ rĩa kũnyitanĩra na bũrũri kũhũrana na ũthũkangia wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie.
So we are looking at ways of improving this carbon footprint. Through such measures and MOUs such as what we have just signed this morning with ProGreen Innovations, where you are recycling the plastic waste and utilizing the energy that is produced from that into our manufacturing process. It means you're not generating more, but you are using what you already have on the table. This is Pro Innovations is it's a phenomenal what James has done with his team.
Aithurite tiga kuhurana na plastic, kambuni ino ni iyukitie uthondeki wa maguta na mimera gutari kuhuthira chemicals iria ni ugwati kuri mundu na maria maturigiceirie.
We source all our raw materials locally. Our products, which are personal care, hair care products, are primarily using a lot of vegetable oils, which we source from many Kenyan farmers. We used to source from Europe, from India, from America.
Njĩra ingĩ cia kũgitĩra marĩa maturigicĩirie nĩ ũtheria wa maĩ marĩa mahũthĩku ũhũthĩri wa hinya wa riũa gatagatĩ ka maũndũ mangĩ.
To use renewable energy, which is solar, which is in our plastic plant, and during the day we use solar to run our machines. But it's a hybrid. During the day we use solar, then at night we use the mains.
Na kũrwe mũndũ kĩũmbe agĩkorwo to nginyagia ũtũmĩre gĩkombe, cuba, thani kana straw ya plastic, gwĩ bata gũtigana nacio nĩgetha tũgitĩre marĩa maturigicĩirie. Kameme TV ngĩkũhe ũhoro gĩtaũ, njĩta gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.